Want to get Microsoft Office completely free and already activated? I'll show you how in just 1 minute. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the website 9log.me. Once the page loads, look for the blog tab at the top and give that a click. From there, you'll see different options. Find and click on Office 2016. Now, just scroll down the page until you see the download button. Click it to start downloading the file. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder on your computer. You'll see the file you just downloaded. Right-click on it and choose Extract File. This will create a new folder. Open that new folder, scroll down until you find the setup file, and double-click it. When it asks for permission, click Yes to begin the installation. Finally, just click Install and let it do its thing. That's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips.